Ever wondered how you can get your hands on some Bitcoin, but without the hassle of a traditional crypto exchange? Maybe you've heard about Bitwala, a German-based platform that combines a bank account with a crypto wallet, but you're not sure how to use it to receive Bitcoin. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to break down the simple steps to receive Bitcoin directly into your Bitwala account, making the whole process as smooth as possible. First, let's get a few things straight. Bitwala is unique because it's not just a crypto wallet, it's a full-fledged German bank account that also has a Bitcoin and an Ethereum wallet built right in. This means you get an international bank account number, IBAN, allowing you to send and receive regular euro transfers. The beauty of this is that it bridges the gap between traditional finance and the world of cryptocurrencies, all in one app. Now, when you want to receive Bitcoin, you're not just getting it sent to your bank account. You're receiving it into your dedicated Bitcoin wallet within the Bitwala app. This is an important distinction to make. Think of it like a digital mailbox specifically for your Bitcoin. Step-by-step guide. So, let's walk through the process. It's surprisingly straightforward. Step 1. Open the Bitwala app. The first thing you need to do is open your Bitwala app on your smartphone and log in. You'll be presented with your main dashboard, which shows your euro balance and your crypto balances. Step 2. Navigate to the Bitcoin wallet. Look for the Bitcoin wallet on the main screen. It's usually represented by the orange Bitcoin logo. Tap on it to open your Bitcoin wallet's interface. Here, you'll see your current Bitcoin balance and a list of your past transactions. Step 3. Find the Receive option. Within your Bitcoin wallet, you'll see a few options like Send and Receive. Tap on Receive. This is the key step. Step 4. Generate your Bitcoin address. Once you tap Receive, the app will automatically generate a unique Bitcoin address for you. This address is a long string of letters and numbers, and it's what you'll share with the person or service sending you Bitcoin. You'll also see a QR code, which is just a scannable version of the same address. Step 5. Share your address. This is where the magic happens. You have a few options to share your address. You can tap the copy button to copy the address to your clipboard and then paste it into an email, a chat, or a message to the sender. Alternatively, if the sender is with you, they can simply scan the QR code directly from your phone. Step 6. Wait for the confirmation. Once the sender has sent the Bitcoin to your address, the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. It will take a few minutes for it to be confirmed. Bitwala will notify you once the funds have landed safely in your wallet. That's it. In just a few taps, you've successfully received Bitcoin into your Bitwala account. It's that simple. The platform's integrated nature makes the entire process incredibly user-friendly, removing many of the complexities that can scare new users away from cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.